Hi, my name is Ivana. I'm the executive chef at Mcewan, and I would like to show you my truffle creamed homemade gnocchi with a little bit of roasted mushrooms on top. So we're going to start out with just a little bit of olive oil in your pan, and we have some wild and that really nice exotic 4 different kind of mushrooms that we're going to start just roasting, just so it has a nice caramelization on the mushrooms. You're going to add just a little bit of salt and white pepper to that. Maybe a little bit of fresh thyme chopped, just to get those flavors going, something very earthy. Maybe even a little bit of butter in the pan. If you find it a little too dry, because the mushrooms use a lot of moisture to suck them up, you'll tend to need a little more olive oil or more butter. In the other pan, we're going to start out some cream sauce, which is just 35% cream. Reducing. You want to reduce it by half. A little bit of truffle paste. Mix that in together. A little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, almost there. Then we're going to deglaze with white wine. Just let all the olive oil and the white wine absorb. And in this pan we're going to put in our gnocchi. Just toss it up a little bit. A little bit of chive. A little bit more salt. A little bit of Parmesan cheese. Put it back on the heat. Let the cream reduce. That's your homemade gnocchi with a truffle cream sauce, wild roasted mushrooms right on top. A little bit of chives, and there it is.